Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, again, as you can probably tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep your Instagram alive while in quarantine. So today I'm just going to be going through a few kind of poses and setups and ways that you can take your own Instagram photos while you're inside during this lockdown period, because I don't know about anyone else, but my Instagram, I don't think I've posted in about a month now, just because I haven't been able to get out the house and get some nice photos. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how we can do that from the comfort of our, from the comfort of our own homes. And still look as good as the ones that you would if they were gonna be taken by a friend or if they were taken outside in a nicer setting. Yeah, that's kind of all I really have to say for this, but yeah, let's get into the video. Ooh. The first setup that I've gone for is just kind of a casual, on the bed, kind of classic, chilled. So I'm gonna go get this all set up. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys get a nice angle of me and the setup. And yeah, let's go take some photos. So this is a simple setup for the first set of pictures. Just gonna take some nice, casual pictures just sitting on my bed. It's quite nice lighting coming in from the window at the moment, so yeah, hopefully these look cute. Let's get shooting. Also guys, I'm just setting my timer on my phone to 3 seconds. I think 10's too long, you end up just sitting there for ages, so it's just on a timer of 3 seconds. I'm going to be clicking it, getting into position, etc. You know how, I hope you know how timer works. Oh yeah, and my camera is on portrait mode. If you don't have portrait mode, that's fine, but I tend to find that portrait mode just makes your photos look that bit more professional because the background's blurry. Yeah, I find it enhances the photo so much more, and it looks a lot better when you come to editing as well, because it's just much better quality. I don't think I'm gonna like any of those photos, but there you go, that was position number 2. This last one I'm actually gonna change for, because if I'm gonna be posting these on my Instagram, I don't want them all to be with exactly the same hair and outfit, because that would just look silly. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly change my hairstyle and then get into the last one. This last one's actually just on the corner, in the corner of my room on the floor. By the window. I've never taken photos here before, but I just saw it and I was like, okay, that could work. So fingers crossed. Yeah, let's give it a try and see how it turns out. this camera so you guys can try it and hopefully see a bit better. This is so hard. I don't have 2 tripods. Is that better? Okay, I think that's better. Yeah, let's carry on. This is just proof that it's not as easy as it looks to take photos. It may take you guys a while, but hopefully it'll be worth it. This is what these ones look like. Now we move to my favourite part, which is actually editing the videos. I'm just gonna quickly pop up a screen recording here of how I would edit one of these videos. I mean, photos. I'm losing my mind. This is this is what staying in is doing to me. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose one at random. Let's say this one. So I use an app called Visco. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but it's what I use to edit all of my photos. So just import that, edit, and then I go to this tool at the bottom, got an exposure, and just kind of slide that along till it's the kind of colour contrast that I like. That up there, sharpen the image, make it the highest quality possible. Saturation. This is really, I'm really quickly whizzing through this, but yeah, this is, you just kind of slide these things along until it looks the way that you want it to. It's really personal preference. I tend to like my photos to be more blue and yellow. Skin tone, I tend to keep that the same actually. And then what I do sometimes, ooh, notification. What I do sometimes like to do is really edit the grain. I think that looks really cool. So I'm gonna keep that on today. But yeah, that is the finishing product. That is how I would edit that photo to then upload it onto Instagram. So if you see that one on Instagram, let me know that you saw it on my YouTube video first. Yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope these tips did help you. Yeah, have fun taking your own photos. DM me on Instagram. My links to all my social media will be in the description below. So yeah, send me some of the photos that you take in and around your house. Leave some more ideas for new videos in the comments below, because I do hope I can keep up these weekly vids, but I am running out of videos, so anything will help. Like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Yeah, I was Olivia. See you later. Love you all. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, guys, make sure my last video, the Get Ready With Me, gets to 60 likes and I will do a TikTok controls my day. So if you do want to see that video, I think it's on like 18 likes at the moment, so we've got a bit further to go. Tell your friends, get those likes up, and I'll do a TikTok controls my day. Bye.